Good day, everyone. My name is Kendall Reap, and welcome to this episode of Wook's Garage. Today I would like to take the time to talk to you about cleaning our Wook's rifle stocker chassis. Anytime I'm working with a firearm, I want to make sure that it's clear and safe. As you can see here, I have no ammunition in my action, as well as no ammunition anywhere in my workspace to avoid any kinds of accidents. Because this is a Remington 700, I will need a 5/32 Allen key, but a 4mm will work as well. I also have a Wook's cleaning kit and bench rest here to help me with my cleaning, and some of the products provided in it are a bottle of Wook's degreaser, as well as a all-metal torque wrench with 3 Torx bits, a small and large Wook's cleaning brush, as well as a bamboo microfiber cleaning cloth. Let's go ahead and imagine I was out hunting or at the range and my rifle got dropped in the mud. Real world conditions, anything can happen. I would first like to go ahead and take a rag that's dampened with either degreaser or some water and wipe my firearm down from one end to the other. Some of the harder to reach areas on our stock here are our skeletalized rear stock. We have a push button adjustable cheek rest that also comes loose, as well as the same with our buttstock. So you can adjust them as well as remove them for easier cleaning. Our small Wook's cleaning brush here works well with some of these smaller to reach skeletalized areas. Once you've got the outside of the firearm cleaned to your satisfaction, we're going to go ahead and take the stock off of the barrel and action to make sure that we've got everything clean down in between them. To do that, go ahead and turn your rifle over in your rest and release tension from your floor plate. Nextly, use your Allen key to go ahead and break tension on your action screws. And I like to try to bring those out as uniformly as possible so that I don't have one that's tightened all the way down and one that's very loose. Once you've loosened those screws up, your floor plate should just lift free of your stock. Nextly, your stock should lift free of your barrel and action. Now that you've done that, go ahead and take this time to clean your barrel and action with the manufacturer's recommended gun oil. And once you've got everything clean, go ahead and take this time to maybe use your smaller Wook's cleaning brush to clean some of these harder to reach areas inside here and inside your monoblock housing. Make sure we've got all the dirt and debris and dust clean of that to keep your firearm from malfunctioning or working improperly. Once we've got everything clean, let's go ahead and set our stock back down onto our barrel in action. I'm going to go ahead and take a peek and make sure my holes are lined up here, and then take my floor plate and place it back down into my stock. I'm going to go ahead and use my Allen key to get my screws started. I don't want to tighten them down with my hand because I do have a torque wrench here, so I can go ahead and get them to spec. Once you've got both of those screws nice and snug with your Allen key, I'm going to take my torque wrench that I've already preset to 7.3 Newton meters, which is approximately 65 inch-pounds. I also have my T25 bit here, which I'm going to go ahead and use to torque these down to spec. All right, once we've done that, let's go ahead and close our floor plate, turn our rifle back over and check fit and function. It looks very clean and looks to be working properly. Thank you for taking the time to join me on this episode of Wook's Garage. My name is Kendall Reap. I hope you have a great day and join us in the future.